Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Next, see, children, in our grammar part, we have discussed about the alphabetical order. Before to start every day, what we are doing, we are just revising the alphabets. Okay, today also we will revise our alphabets. Then we will move to our topic. See, children, A. Small and capitals I am writing together. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This order is known as the alphabetical order. And whenever we are arranging any letter or any word, we have to arrange in this order. This order is known as alphabetical order. Once revise the alphabetical order, children. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is the order known as alphabetical order. And how many letters are there in the alphabets? How many alphabets are there in English language? 26, which has been divided 5 as the vowels and remaining 21 as consonants. Today we are going to learn about the vowels and the consonants and how to use A or N. Okay, children, is it clear? This order is known as alphabetical order. And children, we also have learned about the words formed by the letters A to Z. Forming of words. We have discussed already how to form the word. If we combine two letters or more than two letters, it forms a word. Now, I'll just remind you what we have learned in our previous class about the words. Arm, A-R-M, arm. Bat, B-A-T, bat. Cap, C-A-P, cap. Doll, D-O-L-L, doll. Egg, E-G-G, egg. Foot, F-O-O-T, foot. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. I-N-K-P-O-T, ink pot. J-E-S-T-E-R, jester. K-I-N-G, king. L for lamp, L-A-M-P, lamp. M for monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. N-I-B, nib. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. O for owl, O-W-L, owl. P-I-G, pig. Quail, quill, Quill, quill. Reel, Reel, reel. Servant, servant. Tiger, tiger. U for umbrella, Umbrella, umbrella. Van, van. Wolf, wolf. Xylophone, xylophone. Yacht, yacht. Zebra, zebra. So in this way we have learned all the A to Z words. A to Z words. Okay children, in this chapter we have learned all the words from A to Z. Now our next chapter regarding the use of A or Yan. A or Yan. Now, just now I have explained you children, there are 26 letters in English language and they have been divided into two parts. One part is known as vowels. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are known as vowels and the remaining letters are known as consonants. Regarding the use of A is used before consonants, whereas An is used before vowels. Okay, An is used before vowels. And they have explained, they have been given only one exercise in your grammar textbook children. Let us discuss. Dash, horse. What we have learned children once again, A, E, I, O, U. These are known as vowels. And the remaining, what are they? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are known as consonants. Consonants. How many vowels are there children? 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Total how many letters in our English language children? There are 26 letters in our English language. Now, few examples how to use A or Yan. Dash ox, dash parrot. I'll write few examples on the board, then we will discuss children. Dash elephant, dash owl, dash temple. Few of the examples I wrote children on the board. If you see, just look at the board. H. H is a vowel or consonant? H is a consonant. What we have discussed before the consonants, we have to use A. Ox, vowel. Yan, parrot, P, parrot, consonant, P. Next, elephant, E, vowel. Owl, An, temple, or temple. Okay. So, according to the given letter, first letter of the word, given sounds of the first letter of the word, when we pronounce a word, the sound produced by the first letter of the word, we use according to that sound, we will use A or Yan. A is used before a consonant sound, whereas Yan is used before a vowel sounds. How many vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U, whereas the consonants are 21. So, till now in our first standard grammar children, we have learned the alphabets, we have learned the words and we have learned the use of A or Yan. Where we can use A, where we can use Yan. Okay. Once revise the topics which I have taught you, write the every day what I have told to you to write children. Every day you have to write the capital letters as well as the small letters in your rough book, so that you may not forget the order of the letters. According to that order, you have to arrange the given letters as well as the words in the alphabetical order. So be careful when you are writing the alphabetical order. First you should know the alphabets clearly. Then you should go for the words. Thereafter you can use A or N. Okay children, have a nice day all of you.